Boost your studies. Mastering subject-specific vocabulary in English. Hello, English learners. Subject-specific vocabulary is our topic today. This is an exciting part of language learning, especially if you're studying or working in a specific field. Boosting your academic English vocabulary can significantly enhance your comprehension and performance. So, let's dive in. Subject-specific vocabulary, also known as technical vocabulary, refers to words and phrases associated with particular fields of study or industries. For instance, a biologist might use words like biodiversity or photosynthesis, while a lawyer would use terms like tort or precedent. Mastering these terms is key to excelling in academic or professional settings. Understanding and using subject-specific vocabulary can dramatically improve your comprehension and ability to communicate in your chosen field. It allows you to accurately discuss complex topics, understand academic texts, and convey your ideas professionally. 1. Read widely. Immerse yourself in academic texts, articles, and books related to your field. You will naturally come across and learn the vocabulary unique to your subject. 2. Use vocabulary lists. Many textbooks or online resources provide vocabulary lists specific to certain subjects. 3. Practice. Use new words in your writing and speech. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll become. 4. Contextual learning. Don't just memorize the words. Learn how they're used in context. This will give you a deeper understanding of their meanings. 1. Flashcards. Write down the word on one side of a flashcard, and its meaning on the other. Regularly review these flashcards. 2. Word maps. Draw a diagram linking the new word to related words or concepts. This visual tool can help you remember the word and its context. 3. Practice in real-life situations. If possible, use the new words in actual conversations or writings. It's the most effective way to remember new vocabulary. Subject-specific vocabulary may seem daunting at first, but with consistent effort, you'll find yourself comfortably using these terms in no time. Remember, practice is the key. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.